Okay. So yesterday we had completed that 2 points, basic points about the surd, what is exactly surd, and after that like surd, okay, and how to find out the simplified form of the surd. Okay, now the next question, how to compare the following surds, pair of following surds. Now how to compare them? It is very much basic thing how to compare them. If they all are in a same under same roof, okay, this is the basic thing I'm just explaining over here. If both numbers are in a same root, if both numbers are in a same root, just like here it is, I'm putting 72, here 31, both are in a same root, okay, so we can compare them easily, so first, before comparing the roots or surd, we have to make them in a same root. जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन है, one question is given here. One question is given here. 7 root 2, 5 root 3. Make them this number 7 inside the root and 5 also inside the root. How will you make them inside the root? So 7 we can write it down in the form of root 49. Square root of 49. Okay. So square root of 49 and square root of 2, both having the square root. So make them in a common square root. So it is 49 into 2. So what you will get? Square root of 98. Square root of 98. Then 5 root 3. Then 5 root 3. Now how can you write down the 5? You can write down the 5 in the form of square root of 25. Square root of 25. Now square root of 25 and square root of 3. Write it down in a one square root. Okay. So 25, how can you write down? Square root of 25. Same here into square root of, 3. So one square root we are using for both. So 25 into 3, it is 75. Now you can easily compare them. Square root of 98, square root of 75. Both having the same square root. So just compare the numbers. Which one is greater? 98 is greater than 75. So square root of 98 is greater than square root of 75. So that's why, and what was the 98? 98 हमें कहाँ से मिला है? 98 is the simplest form of 7 root 2. So 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Okay, 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. So basic thing, when you are comparing the surds, make them in a same root. First of all, you have to make them in a same root, then you can easily compare the numbers. Okay. So I think I'm audible to you.
Yes, teacher. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So have you understood that what I taught you today? Now, how to compare the surds? First of all, the thing is what you have to make them in a same root. Then you can compare the number. Okay. Yes, Ashka, any doubt? Okay. Now the next question. As you raise your hand, no, that's why I ask you. Next question is how to simplify. Just like this, you can compare the surds. Now how to simplify? How will you simplify? अब simplify कैसे करेंगे? Simplify में क्या दिया है आपको? The given things are, what the given things are? The given things are 7 root 48 minus root 27 minus root 3. अब simplify करने के लिए एक चीज तो उनमें common होनी चाहिए. Okay? So here which operation we are doing? Subtraction. Or either you can do the addition, you have to follow the same instruction. Okay. अब हम इनको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रूट 48 को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. रूट 48 अब वो स्क्वायर रूट है. सो 48 कैसे लिखेंगे? 16 इंटू 3. 16 इंटू 3. नाउ द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16. व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16? इट इज 4. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16 इट इज 4. और रूट 3 एज इट इज हो गया. रूट 3 एज इट इज हो गया. ओके. नाउ how will you write down 27? 27 कैसे लिखेंगे? 9 into 3. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 into 3. अब ये यहां पे आप कंफ्यूज मत होना. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16 into 3 इसको हम सेपरेट कर देंगे. इसको हम एक भी कर सकते हैं, इसको हम सेपरेट भी कर सकते हैं. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16 into स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3. तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16 हमने लिखा 4 एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 एज इट इज. फिर उसके बाद स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 into 3. सो मेक इट सेपरेट. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 इज 3. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 इज 3 एंड रूट 3 एज इट इज. अब आपको हर टर्म में आपको वहां पे रूट 3 दिखेगा. You can easily see that in the first term you can see the root 3. Second term also you can see the root 3 and third term already given in the form of root 3. Okay. Here root 3 and root 3. As we are doing subtraction or if you are doing the addition you can make them common. हम उनको कैसे ले सकते हैं? कॉमन ले सकते हैं. तो उसके पहले हम और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. 7 4s are 28. So 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus root 3. So take the numbers common. Simple number. Rational numbers, make them common, and rational number, take it in a bracket, and irrational number, that is root 3 surd, take it common. तीनों में है इसलिए हमने कॉमन लिया है. So what is remaining in the bracket? 28 minus 3 minus 1. So 28 minus 3 is 25. 25 minus 1, it is 24. So what you got at the last? 24 root 3. Okay. So this is what the simplification. और यही चीज जो है अभी जो हमने कॉमन वाला फैक्ट किया है, you can use this fact in addition and subtraction of the terms. Addition and subtraction of the terms. लेकिन कॉमन लेने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? यहाँ पे कॉमन लेने के लिए फर्स्ट वन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, आपको एक चीज और क्लियर कर दूं, कल जो हमने सीखा है, मैंने जो सिखाया आपको, बेसिक थिंग इज व्हाट, दिस इज व्हाट द सर्ड, this is what the surd, this is order, n is what? Order, and a is what? A is what? Radicand. Okay. Whenever you are doing addition, subtraction, the order and radicand should be same. ये टर्म में भी √3 था, दूसरे टर्म में भी √3 था, मतलब बोथ ऑर्डर एंड रेडिकंड शुड बी सेम. तभी आप उनको कॉमन ले सकते हो. ओके, दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग. टू टेक द कॉमन, द नंबर शुड बी सेम. बट इसके बाद और दो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, दैट इज अबाउट द मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिवीजन. उस केस में क्या होना चाहिए? उस केस में सिर्फ आपको ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए. जैसे कि आप जो भी ऑपरेशन कर रहे हो तो ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए. 25/5. तो हम डिवीजन भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, जैसे कि इसके पहले वाला क्वेश्चन था, देखो ये जो बेसिक थिंग है ये आपने अभी यूज किया है हमने, इसलिए मैं और क्लियर कर रही हूँ. जैसे कि यहाँ पे 27 था. ओके, 27 को हमने कैसे लिखा? 9 into 3. फिर उसे हमने कैसे लिखा? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 into स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3. मीन्स इफ द ऑर्डर इज सेम, मतलब स्क्वायर रूट था, इफ द ऑर्डर इज सेम यू कैन सेपरेट दैट रूट. ओके, इधर यू कैन मेक द कॉमन रूट. ओके, अब यहाँ पे जैसे वन मोर क्वेश्चन, 25 is square root of 25 is divided by square root of 5. So how can I write down? Square root of 25 is divided by square root of 5. Or how can I write? Square root of 25 is divided by square root of 5. Why I can write down this? Because both having the order same, that is 2. Clear? So these are the basic things. During the addition and subtraction, order and radicand should be same. So you can take it common. Okay. During multiplication and subtraction, only need the order is same. तो यहाँ पे confuse नहीं होना है आपको. Getting? Now next. So this one. So here it is simplification. Now the next.
Your voice is not clear.
Am I audible to you?
Voice is breaking, teacher.
Am I audible to you? Voice is breaking. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it is clear.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So I hope whatever I taught you now, how to do the addition and how to do multiplication and division. The basic thing during the addition and subtraction, order and radical should be same. During multiplication and division, order should be same. Okay, these are the basic things. On that basic things, we will do the multiplication now. Okay, here the multiplied answer in the simplest form. Root 12 into 8 root 18. So we will make square root of 4 is square root of 9. So 3 2s are 6 root 3 into 3 root 2. ओके अब ये सबके सब मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है ऑल 3 ऑल 4 6 इंटू रूट 3 इंटू 3 इंटू रूट 2. सो यहाँ पे सबके सब मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है तो हम क्या करेंगे सिंपल 6 इंटू 3 6 इंटू 3 okay 6 into 3 6 into 3 both are rational numbers so multiply them 6 into 3 it is 18. अब root 3 and root 2 root 3 into root 2 इनको कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम root 3 into 2 so it is root 6. So answer is 18 root 6. Answer is 18 root 6. Okay, so this is what how you can do the multiplication. Now the next is division. Division में भी simple है, both having the square roots, both numbers having the square roots. अब दोनों same root में है so you can take them in a single root. Okay, अलग अलग root में रखने से अच्छा है single root में ले लेते हैं. So square root of 125 upon 50. This is what division. So 125 is the numerator and 50 is the denominator. Now how can you write down both numbers? 125 is the 25 into 5 and 50 is 25 into 2. Now 25 and 25 will cut. What you have now? Square root of square root of 5 upon 2. So this is the last answer. Okay. So this is what the division. Now next. उसके पहले yes. I hope the thing is clear. Have you understood the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division? Okay. So I hope you understood the things. I hope you understood the addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. The condition for what? Addition and subtraction. N and A means order and radicand should be same. In multiplication and division, the order should be same. जैसे कि एक ही रूट में होने चाहिए दोनों नंबर, so you can do easily multiplication and division. Okay, for that we are going to take some revision questions at the last. Okay, now I am going to tell you what is rationalization. Rationalization ये वर्ड आपने पहले सुना है? Have you heard that? Rationalization. No. So now I am going to explain you that. Wait. For that I am going to share the screen again. Whatever the doubts you have, we will clear it at the last. Okay, last 10 minutes. So here, first of all, this is the question. Suppose this question is given to do the rationalization denominator. This is the denominator, 9 root 3. 9 root 3. अब 9 root 3 एक ये भी rationalization है और इसके बाद भी एक rationalization आएगा. So उसमें थोड़ा सा अलग टाइप का है. अलग टाइप means there some addition and subtraction was there. Here यहाँ पे कोई operation. Yes sir.
Sorry to interrupt. Manjima is requesting to explain multiplication again.
Yes, sir. I told them that I'll take the revision of that. That time I'm going to explain it again.
Okay.
In the last 10 minutes.
Okay. Manjima, you heard, beta? Okay.
She gave reply, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So here, the numerator is 6, denominator is 9 root 3. Okay, 6 9 root 3. In the denominator and numerator nothing operation. जैसे कि यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. 6 plus 4 upon 9 root 3 minus 2. ऐसा कोई operation नहीं है यहाँ पे. Simply what they gave, simply they are giving 6 upon 9 root 3. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना चाहिए? What is the surd in the denominator? It is root 3. What is given? Root 3. So we will multiply. ये root 3 हमें निकालना है denominator से, because they are saying rationalize the denominator. तो denominator से हमें root 3 निकालना है. So for that what we have to do? Multiply that numerator and denominator by root 3. जिसको हमें निकालना है हम उसी से multiply करेंगे. Okay. So what is in the numerator? Numerator में क्या बचा फिर? 6 into root 3 upon 9 root 3 into root 3. Yes, this is in the after multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. जब हम numerator और denominator दोनों को root 3 से multiply करेंगे, so you will get this step. Okay. Now numerator, keep numerator as it is, क्योंकि हम उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते. 6 root 3. Now what is the denominator? Denominator में देखो क्या है. Denominator में आपको दिखेगा यहाँ पे root 3. तो इसे हम यहाँ पे already step दिया है, लेकिन how this 3 will come? ये 3 कैसे आया? ये 3 simple है. 6 root 3 as it is, 9 as it is. और जो मैंने आपको अभी सिखाया है, same root is there, so 3 into 3. Okay. Now that 3 into 3 is what? 9 as it is, square root of 3 is 9. और square root of 9 होता है 3. Square root of 9 होता है 3. Okay. तो ये step ऐसे आया. So what do you have now? 6 root 3 in the numerator. Denominator में क्या है? 9 into 3. Okay. 9 into 3. Okay. Till here it is clear? Till here it is clear? Okay. 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 Now here, 2√3. अब यहाँ पे कैसे आए ये स्टेप? अब 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. ये कट हो सकता है. 6/3 का आंसर आता है 2. So what is remaining in the numerator? 2√3 upon 9. 2√3 upon 9. That is what the answer. Okay. So to do the rationalization, what we have to do? Rationalization the denominator. तो डिनोमिनेटर में सर्ड नहीं रहना चाहिए. सो मल्टीप्लाई दैट होल इक्वेशन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय द √3 इन दिस क्वेश्चन. सो उसके बाद ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन मिला है. सो 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. So 2√3 in the numerator and denominator having only 9. Here the question is done. Now next is the practice set 2.3. But before that, let me clear some things. I hope you understand the things. How to do rationalization? Yes? Okay. How to do addition, subtraction? Okay. And how to do multiplication and division? Some students having the doubt in a multiplication, I know that. Okay. So these are the basic things about the surd. Okay. Now who will tell me that during the addition and subtraction, what things should be common? Very good. And add A. Very good, Bhumi. Order and radicand. Order and radicand. Very good. Yes, Revati. And in a multiplication and division, what things should be there? Order. Very good. Now, in a rationalization, rationalizing the denominator. Okay. In the rationalization, what we have to do? In a rationalization, if the surd is in the denominator, what is the next step? We have to multiply that surd in a numerator and denominator also. Okay. Yes. So I hope these things are clear. Okay. So now we will do the multiplication.
Hello. Hello, Rashmi teacher, you're not audible. Students, what teacher has revised? Just tell me what teacher taught to you. Rationalization, correct. Next. operation on surds. Very good. Next, division of surds. Next, comparison between two surds. Correct. Order and radicands. Correct. Okay. Next, multiplication of surds. Okay. Next, operation on surd. In operation of surds, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what will it will come? Correct.
Simplify. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you
Am I
audible.
audible now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Whenever I'm going to share that screen, no, I'm out of network. So here, exercise 2.4, practice set 2.4. Here, what you have to do? Multiplication. What you have to do? Multiplication. What the question is given? Root 3 in a bracket, root 7 minus root 3. Root 3 in a bracket, root 7 minus root 3. All are surds. Root 3 also surd, root 7 is also surd, again root 3 is also surd. Okay. Now you have to do multiplication. हमारे पास वैसे भी एक सिंपल सा रहता है a in bracket b minus c. How will you do to solve the bracket? A into b minus a into c. Okay. So ab minus ac. हम ऐसे ही करते regular. Same thing you have to do here. Root 3 into root 7 minus root 3 into root 3. Okay. So these both numbers are in a same root. So take them in a same, sorry, they are in a same root. So take them in a common root. So 3 into 7, root 3 into 7. Okay. Now next, again, root 3 into root 3. तो उसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, root 3 into root 3. Okay. Here what you get? 3 into 7, that is 21. And here 3 into 3, that is 9. So square root of 9 is 3 and root 21 as it is. Okay. So here one important thing, whenever you are writing, here is you got the answer. Here you got the answer. This is what the multiplication is done. Okay. But when you are writing the last answer, you have to write down the rational number first. Rational number कौन सा इसमें? 3. But when you are taking the number, it has negative sign. Take with that number with the sign. So minus 3 plus root 21. Okay. Minus 3 plus root 21. So this is what the multiplication. Next. Next. अब यहाँ पे भी एक rationalization है, मैंने आपको बोला था. So this is what the rationalization where the surds are in operation. Which operation? Addition. Already यहाँ पे 2 surds है, but they are in a addition. तो हमें इसका conjugate लेना पड़ेगा. Exactly opposite operation of that. Here is the addition. So we are taking the conjugate that is in a subtraction. तो वहां पे क्वेश्चन में दिया है root 7 plus root 2. तो हम उसका conjugate क्या लेंगे? root 7 minus root 2. So this is what the conjugate. अब ये जो हमने now you took here the conjugate. So what you have to do the next step? It is multiplication. It is multiplication just like in the previous question of rationalization denominator. तो वहां पे भी हमने multiplication किया था, but वहां पे सिर्फ root 3 था. So we multiply numerator and denominator by only root 3. but here one particular operation is given. So we have to take conjugate of that. So here is the question. Now multiply numerator and denominator both by this root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 minus root 2. Okay. Now multiplication, one numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 1 into 7 root 2 minus root 2 as it is. और यहाँ पे एक important चीज जो आपको भूलनी नहीं है, फॉर्मूला है, that important formula. The formula is what? A square minus B square is equal to A minus B. In second bracket, it is A plus B. Okay? This is the formula. अब एक ब्रैकेट अपने पास देखो, डिनोमिनेटर में एक ब्रैकेट ये है प्लस वाला एंड सेकंड ब्रैकेट इज ऑफ माइनस. सो a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी, a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी अपने पास है. सो हाउ कैन यू राइट डाउन? इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? a square minus b square. So it is root 7 square minus root 2 square. Root 7 square minus root 2 square. Okay. So here now numerator as it is root 7 minus root 2 and denominator square and square root cancel in the second bracket. Now again numerator as it is root 7 minus root 2 upon 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is what the last answer. This is what the last answer. Okay. And rationalization, denominator is the method. This is the method to find out the conjugate. Multiply that and do the simplification of that. This is what the rationalization of denominator. Now next, before that, okay, how to do rationalization? Do you understood? Whenever the surds are given in the operation, how to do rationalization? Okay. Sir, please tell me how much time is remaining.
Uh, 10:47. Wait. It is now.
Yes. Don't worry, students. I am going to repeat it. I am going to repeat it. Don't worry.
Teacher, 12.
12 to 1. Okay. Now I am going to take the revision on a whiteboard here. Okay. So first thing we learned today, that is what you know, that you can write down the surd in this method. Okay. Order and radicand. Okay. Next is what? Next thing is what? Next thing, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. So for addition and subtraction, order and radicand should be same. Order and radicand should be same. Do addition and subtraction. अब simple है. The question is what? Suppose here question is given 4 root 5 plus 25. This is the question. Okay, here which operation we are doing? Addition. Now, first of all, whenever you are solving addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you have to do simplification. Okay? अगर दोनों का रूट सेम नहीं है, अगर यहाँ पे आपको देखो रूट 3 दिख रहा है, you can see here root 3 and here root 75. So you have to do simplification. So what will be the next step? 4 root 3 plus what will be the simplification over 25 into 3. Okay? Till here clear? Yes? Now, okay. 4 root 3 as it is plus square root of 25. ये हम separately किए. Square root of 25 into square root of 3. अगर रूट सेम है तो उनको हम एक रूट में भी ले सकते हैं. You can make them different root. Okay? So 4 root 3 as it is plus square root of 25 is what? 5. And root 3 as it is. अब देखो ये स्टेप, ये टर्म में भी रूट 3 है, ये टर्म में भी रूट 3 है. ओके, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, what you will take common, root 3 common in both terms. What is remaining in a bracket? First term में से रहा 4 and from the next term plus sign as it is, from the next step, from the next term it is 5. So what will be the answer? 9 root 3 is the answer. Clear now? Clear? I hope it is clear. Okay. Same for subtraction. अगर same for subtraction. Wait. यहाँ पे अगर एडिशन की जगह पे सब्ट्रैक्शन रहता, so same method you have to follow. Same method. Okay. Minus 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 minus. सिर्फ यहाँ पे आंसर चेंज होता था अपना. What will be the answer? 4 minus 5 is minus 1 root 3 और minus root 3. इतना ही चेंज होता था. Clear? Subtraction, addition clear? Applies off now. Root हो चाहे equal to, it should be same for all numbers. My voice is not you. multiplication. Is multiplication. Order should next
Your voice is not coming. Hello. Rashmi teacher, your voice is not coming. Hello, student. I am audible to you? हेलो तीन ही मिनट Hello to everyone, students. I am audible to you. Okay, okay, okay. So today, which exercise you have learned? Tell me. Which exercise you have learned? Okay, 2.3 and 2.4. So when teacher will come in our next lecture, whenever it may be, so teacher will revise you. Okay? And whatever doubts you have, you can ask your doubt. Is it clear? Okay. So, yes. Okay. Okay. Bye to everyone. Those who want to share their views. Bye bye. Bye to everyone. If you wants to go, please. Bye to everyone. Take care. Stay at home. Yes, you can leave now. No problem is there. Because some network issue is there. And teacher will take the same revision in the next lecture whenever it will come. Okay? No problem is there. Okay.